Hey Matthew, what's up? It's me, Stan. Okay, so let me go into the greater details now that I can explain why I overreacted over everything and why I quote quote behaved the way I did, and hopefully you understand. Hopefully, I'll chew up every single thing, every single step, because when you never had something in your life, when you never actually went through something in your life, you would not understand how the other people might feel about it, and why this or that person might overreact over things. Uh, okay, so let's start with the thing when I asked you if you can add me to the call on actual stream. So I asked you of two things, right? And those are two separate things. Hopefully by now you realize that I asked you for in the beginning, really very beginning, I asked you if you can add me to the stream call. That was one thing. The other thing I asked you if we could use Discord to just talk and communicate. Just not in the stream, not necessarily in the stream. If you want me to be added to the stream, you could. But if you didn't have to. We would just use Discord as a voice chat app due to my vision problem. So let me go first to the first ever thing, which is adding me on stream or adding anybody on stream on the in the stream call. Uh, See, streams like stream could be different. Stream could be there are a couple I would say there are a couple ways, there are a couple kinds of stream. There are a couple types of streams. There could be a chill stream where you have friends in the call and you just stream and just chill and just talk, and while you actually stream a game or stream something, I don't know, maybe the programming, maybe something else that you stream, but you just have a group of friends in the call and you're just having a kind of like a chill stream, where you while you talk to friends you could you do stream. There's another type of stream, like let's say if I'm an instructor and I'm trying to teach a class, then of course the class students would not be able to join my call because I'm a teacher and I'm streaming the class. I'm streaming the material for the class. However, if I'm doing a live class online, then I have students actually in a group call, right? And I ask them to mute their mics while they're listening to my lectures. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're a group of students. For example, let's say I'm streaming a programming class, right? And let's say I'm streaming. Let me give you an example. So for example, I'm streaming a lecture on basics of object-oriented programming. And this is just a lecture. It meant to be that I'm the only person who is in the stream call or in the stream who is able to talk, right? And I'm just teaching it to, I don't know, whoever wants to join the stream, right? Then it would be only me in the call. And if somebody would ask to join the call, I would have to do a separate stream. I would say not in this stream because this stream is primarily designed to basically me giving a lecture. And then if you guys have questions, you could either contact me or we can do another live stream where all the people who are interested in my programming, lessons or lectures, would join in and ask the questions. And there will be some rules, of course. There will be some management rules, like when one person speaks, everyone else mutes their mic, and then listen to that one person speak. And then I respond to that person. Then the other person would unmute the mic while the first person mutes their mic, and so on. So those type of streams are also popular. So again, so far we covered two types of streams. First type of stream is actually first type of streams. Sorry, it's actually the chill stream where you have a bunch of friends, and just keep that in mind. It's a chill stream. You have a bunch of friends, and you allow your friends to talk. You allow your friends in the call to talk with you, right? And there's another type of stream where you actually presenting something, and that stream is designed for you only to be able to talk in that stream, and you present something or you show something or you teach something, whatever else you do, but it's only you talking, right? And there's actually the third part type of stream, which I kind of covered, but I didn't say it's the third type. When you give a lecture in class, like if it's a live class, but it's a virtual class, right? So it's a, in other words, it's not the live class, but it happens live, but it's a virtual class. So you have students in the class. You have a group of students, a group of people who want to take a class, who want to take a programming class, for example, or who want to, talk about a certain item or a certain video game or something. Then you join them in the call. Now, let's go. Let's go with our situation here. Okay, so here you are in the stream, right? In the stream, and you currently had, at that point, you had only one person in the call, in the voice chat, which is Jace, which is your friend, right? Now, keep that in mind. Now, me and you, we became friends, right? So I've been on your YouTube. I've been, commenting on your videos. I've been, helping you out and stuff like that. I've been talking to you about, like, the moment when you got fired from Best Buy. I was there for you, and I was like, I was kind of like worrying about you when you got, when you were about to fire the Best Buy, to be fired at Best Buy, and afterwards. And, so hence, you showed yourself as a friend to me while I showed myself as a friend to you. So here we go, we enter the stream, right? So in the stream, you have your friend Jace, right? Now, I thought of that stream as it being a chill type stream, like a stream where you have friends joining, and you had a friend joining the call, right? You had Jace, who joined the call, right? So with that in mind, I came to you and I said, since me and you are also friends, would I be able to join the stream, right? Can I join the stream too? So we can all talk. You, Jace, me, you introduce me to Jace, you introduce Jace to me and stuff like that. And we all chill and have fun time. On which you replied, no, you're just the viewer, or something like that. That I want the viewers. I don't add viewers to the call or something. I don't remember exactly the words you said, but you said something like this. So I mean, that alone made me feel like I'm left out, honestly, because being a friend status, and then all of a sudden you chilling with the friend, but you're not adding the other friend to the call and declassifying them, lowering them in class as just a viewer, that alone made me feel left out. That's why I started talking. Why don't you? Okay, there's a solution. Why don't you make a server and add people to the server? It's what other people do, and no one would feel offended. Make a server. Yes, you tried. It failed. I'm not sure why. Maybe Discord was a pretty new thing in that point of time, and people didn't know how to use servers. Didn't know how to how to join servers. That's why I said maybe now is the time to try. Benefits for you in this: you will get well known. Second benefit is more and more people could join and feel that you're friendly and subscribe to a channel and help you out to become well known, help you out with subscribers, help you out on the Twitch to become an affiliate, whatever else you wanted to become, and make you a professional streamer. You said to me, you told me, right? That those were your words when you told me that you want to become a content creator. You and Jace, you want to become a content creator. But whom are you creating the content for? If you're ditching all the people around you, whom are you creating the content for? This is the main point. I was trying to help you out. I was trying to point out that if you want to draw more people in, same thing as Best Buy. I mean, when the customer comes into the Best Buy, you want to be as friendly as you can to a customer so that the customer not only talks good about Best Buy, but also talks good about you, right? If you are some rude, agent at Best Buy, sales agent at Best Buy, people would say, okay, I hate this Best Buy because the only agent that's available is Matthew and he's really rude. You want that to be the truth? Obviously not. So whenever the customer comes, whoever the customer is, even if the customer is Indian, or white or black or yellow, doesn't really matter, right? You treat all of them the same. So you want to make customer happen. Happy. That's the point of you working at Best Buy. You want to be a Best Buy representative and represent Best Buy as a friendly store, right? Same thing with your streams. When you stream, you have to decide what type of streams you're doing at a certain point, this particular point. What type of stream are you doing? Are you alone streaming and showing the game? Then yes, if you're alone streaming the game, like you did the other time, you did that when you fly and capture the trees. Remember that game when we set, like, me and you were set, like I was chatting in the chat and you were just streaming the game alone. If that's that type of stream, you can always change it to a friendly stream. But if you don't want to, that's fine. You can just stream alone and present the game and show the gameplay, and that would be it. But if you have a friend in the stream, one friend in the stream, right? And another friend is joining the stream, and it's not just a random person, it's a friend who's joining the stream, right? And the friend tells you, hey, do you mind me joining the call with you guys? So it looks like you're just chilling and playing the game and having a fun time. And you're saying no to that other person. Agree with me that would make them feel left out. Like, imagine Jace has a pizza party, right? And I showed you that example before. Jace has a pizza party, or somebody at Best Buy has a pizza party, and you're the crew member, you're the team member, but they kind of forget about you, eat pizza without you, not even inviting you over, and they're just you come down and you say, hey guys, do you want to eat like a lunch or something? We can go to, like, pizza place or something. Oh, we just ate. We all just ate. Let's say Mike ordered pizza and we just all ate. Wouldn't you say, what about me? Why no one called me? Why no one invited me? You would probably do that. Because that alone is simply, they forgot about you. They just, when they need you, they contact you all the time, and you do the best to help them. But when actually they're having a pizza party and they kind of forget about you, I'm pretty sure that will make you feel really sad, kind of, and upset a little bit. And upset with the friends because they, you worked with them, your team, you maybe became friends with some of them, and they just did that to you. I'm pretty sure you'll be kind of stressed out and kind of feel unfair, or being treated unfairly by them. Pretty sure the same thing happens. So I'm pretty sure you understand now why I felt the way I felt, and why, I was. Another point that I'm trying to make, right? Another point is, here, I have a gaming computer, right? I spend pretty decent amount of money on that gaming computer, right? 1080 graphics card, the at that point it was the highest end motherboard, the processor, everything. In the hope to play games with someone. I bought the Steam. I had the Steam account. Well, I had the Steam account since a long time, but I have a lot of games in order to play multiplayer games, in order to actually play with someone. And I told you why. I said, when I was, ever since my childhood, I've been mistreated because of my vision, because of my eyes. I told you that story. I don't want to run into it again. You know that story. I don't have to, cover it. And I want to feel accepted at least once in my life. I have all those games. When I was hosting Minecraft, and I told you that, when I was hosting Minecraft, everyone, oh, Stan, we'll help you out. We'll help you out. We'll teach you some Minecraft. Can we have a server? Can we have a server? Some people, I give out the servers for free to some people, just because of them helping me and hoping that they would get me in the game, teach me the game, so I can actually kind of get me on a team where they could show me something that I might not know about Minecraft, and be involved and actually feel that I'm accepted, Um, didn't happen. Well, rarely it happened. I mean, with some people it happened, and those people whom it happened with, I'm still friends with those people, honestly. But most people will just use me for a server. And when they're done playing Minecraft, they would even block me on social media. What is that? Telling me that you're my friend and that I'm their friend and that they would be here for me and stick up and all that stuff and kind of use my server for free, for that. And then just saying, oh, we're done playing Minecraft. That's why I blocked you. You just told me that you're my friend and you're blocking me now. I mean, what the heck, right? So, I understand what happened. And that feeling that I'm always left out of everything, it prevails, right? So when here's the opportunity, you seem like you're streaming video games, you're playing different video games, you're showing you're having fun in video games, and you can have fun when you have more people, right? Playing with one friend who's Jace, right? Well, you could add another friend. It's a multiplayer game. We can all chill. Why not? Why can't we all chill and have fun? Why you only choose one friend and one friend only and chill with them? That was kind of like another thing that was bothering me, so to speak, right? Okay, so let's leave this portion out, right? Let's leave this portion out now. Let's talk about the portion when I simply asked you if you could add me on Discord. Not in the stream, but simply add me to your Discord so we can talk instead of me typing, instead of me using my vision, my eyes, and I tried to explain it to you the best I could, right? We just could use Discord. Yes, you gave me Instagram. Yes, true. But those little audio clips, sometimes they get annoying, And I was worrying about you, about the memory of your device, that all those clips, they're stored and, they take up the space. So the easiest solution, well, we could use Instagram sometimes to talk, you're right? But if there is an opportunity to talk for free using the Discord, then why not? Why can't we utilize it and use it? Right? So I asked you if you could add me to Discord, that we could use it, so that we could use it sometimes to communicate. Not necessarily in the stream. I repeat, not necessarily in the stream. Yes, you use Discord in the stream, but do you have to have a stream to use Discord? No. It's a standalone software. You can use it with anything. You can use it if if you're just playing the game busy and the other friend calls you and not playing the game with you. You can use it like that. It doesn't really matter, right? So I asked you, just kind of like put it through your mind. I asked you if you could ever add me on Discord. Ever add me on Discord. While we're cool, we're friends, we're chill, and all this stuff, I asked you if you could ever add me on Discord, and you said probably not. I mean, how am I supposed to feel? When a friend tells me, okay, you're just here for the placeholder, but I don't want to talk to you, I don't want to add you, I don't want this, I don't want, how am I supposed to feel? And I felt that a lot. I felt that when I was little, when everybody was like, Stan, can I ride your bike? Can I ride your bike? Can I ride your bike? And I was given my bike, to ride. But when I said, hey, can I join the game? And they were all saying, nah, you have poor vision, blah, 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 Well, we're just playing for fun. We're not playing for the, money or anything. We're just playing for fun. Why can't I try myself as a goalie? Why can't I try myself in the basketball? Why can't I try myself in whatever, badminton, tennis, whatever else we played? Why I have to sit on the side and watch while the other friends, quote, quote, are playing. Because when they asked me for the bike, I would give them a bike. So that feeling prevailed in me, right? So when you told me that I'm never worth I'm never worth to be added to your Discord list as a friend, that kind of got me. And I feel like, that's it, I'm done. I'm just getting used and abused by people. Some ask me to borrow my computers and steal, who also call themselves my friends. Some, use me for the servers. Others use me for a free stuff. I give out free stuff to them. and they take that free stuff and then block me and say they're never meant to be my friends. I mean, it happened over and over and over again. I'm just tired of it. I said, even if you do this to me, you whom I trusted and you whom I thought that you were my best friend, and you did it to me, I feel like I'm done. I said, I honestly said it in the stream. Yes, true. I'm sorry. I said it in the stream, but you didn't provide any other place to talk with voice other than Instagram, actually. But you never provided anywhere to talk about that, but the stream at that point of time, right? So I said on the stream, I said, hey, and you're saying, oh, I ruined your stream. You're starting, saying, oh, you just ruined my stream. You just ruined my entire stream. Excuse me. When people curse and swear in the stream, when people use violent language, when people discriminate others in the streams, I watched bunch of streams when people make fun of other people, and those streams are more ruined than something that I said. Honestly, those people ruining their streams more than something that I said. Stream is nothing, dude. Stream is just you having fun, you chilling, you making content. Yes, and I was pointing out that not ad, but try to make the content and try to make your streams friendly. Try to make so that everyone feels the same in your stream. Even if it's Jace, if you don't want to add a bunch of people on your Discord right now, since you don't have a server, don't even add Jace to the call. Have him talk in the chat, and that would be a fair way to show, hey, you're a fair person. You're streaming. Jace is one of your friends. I'm one of your friends. Bob, Sam, Mendy, whoever else is also your friends, but they're all in chat. But if you have a stream with a friend, right, thus considering it is a friendly stream, then be ready that people are going to ask to join the stream in the call. That's about the first person. That's about the stream thing. The Discord part is a separate part where I asked you simply if you can add me to Discord. And I said, I saw the true colors. Remember I told you I saw the true colors. Yes, true colors. Those are true colors because some people are faking to be friends to get something out of you for free. Imagine you work at Best Buy, right? And let's say I come to you and I say, hey, Matthew, you're my best friend ever. And can you please help me to get a computer from Best Buy? Since you have discounts, since you have half off, you can buy a computer for yourself, and I can then, pay the half and buy it from you, like for the half price, and you will be my best friend ever. You're helping me, or can you help me to get a job at Best Buy and stuff like that? I mean, imagine me asking you this, right? So let's say once I got half off the computer from you, and once I get the recommendation for the job at Best Buy, I totally forget about you. And I totally say, when you come and ask me, hey, Stan, I wonder if, I could borrow, some money, or if I could, if I could borrow something, or if I could use this, or if you could do this for me. And I say, you know what? No, I usually don't do that. And, and I talk to you like ignorantly. I'm being ignorant whatsoever, and kind of like treating you unfairly as a regular person, not my friend, but a regular person. I'm pretty sure you'll be down too. I'm pretty sure you would have those feelings too. So that's what made me feel the way I felt. I was never toxic to you. I was never faking anything to you. I was open, wide open. I opened my heart to you. You just simply took everything out of me and just broke it. So that's something. I'm not saying it's not fixable. Unlike you're saying our friendship is not fixable. Yes, it is. There are more reasons to not become friends than this. Trust me. Betrayal of a friend. That's a really strict reason. A really straightforward reason to not being friends with someone. But if it's like a disagreement in some points, if if you say I think Trump, if you say I think Trump is a good president, and let's say somebody says I think Biden is a good president, I mean it's not the reason to stop being friends because one supports Trump, one supports Biden. Unfortunately, people are divided because of that now. Since one's were for Trump and the other one for Biden, But I give you an extreme example. But the disagreement in something should not necessarily mean that you should stop being friends with that person, block them, hate them, and all that stuff, Matthew. It's something that you didn't go through in life, and hopefully the unfair treatment from Best Buy is one of the things that you will learn in life, and this second one that you will learn in life. And I hope more and more stuff would happen that you will learn how it feels, that you would never cause other people to feel the way you made me feel. Or maybe somebody else, not just me, maybe. But literally, you blocked me at that point. When I was trying to explain stuff to you, you simply blocked me and never actually gave me a chance to speak up and explain why I said the way I said it and what I meant and everything. You created stereotypes about me. You started talking smack to Jace about me on the stream. Uh, Friends don't do that. Honestly. So, I mean, I don't hate you, but you have to think about your career on YouTube and on Twitch. Seriously, if you're kind of like I'm not calling you selfish as a bad person right now or ignorant as a bad person right now. I'm not calling you in those kind of way. But I think I'm saying if you only think about yourself when you do YouTube and stream, or if you ignore everyone when you do YouTube and stream, don't expect the prosperity, dude. Honestly, don't. You can have 10 million subscribers, but if you mistreat those subscribers, that simply shows that all you need those subscribers for is just a number to get out, to be a YouTube superstar, and that's it. And you pay nothing back to them. And guess what? At one point, those people would just say, well, you know what? Screw that. Screw that. I'm unsubbing, and I'm unsubbing, and I'm unsubbing, and all the people are going to unsubscribe, or, the worst case, no one would watch your streams. You could do your best, you could do the best editing, the best skills, but knowing the person, knowing who is behind those streams, that behind those streams is a mean, selfish, and careless person, sorry to say, but no one will watch those streams, honestly. And why am I saying that to you? Not because I'm mad, because I'm trying to kind of like give you something that I learned in the Intro to Business class and Interpersonal Communications class. In a lot of classes I took, all the classes I took, I learned exactly that. The ethical behavior of whoever it is, the teacher, the co-worker, the streamer, the manager, whoever it is, they need to be friendly. They need to be polite. They need to be fair. And what you did was unfair, honestly. No offense. So it's up to you to fix it. I mean, I'm sitting here, I'm hoping and waiting that somebody's calling me, 1 second. That you apologize at one point, because I apologize for stuff that I've done. I apologize for stuff that, I said, and I even said right away, I'm sorry. Remember I said it? So I did my part. But instead of doing your part, and instead of feeling what I felt, you put more stuff towards me. And he said, I guilt trapped you. No, I didn't. I didn't guilt trap you because for the reason, here's what I've done, okay? I'll give you an example of what I've done. Let's say you wrote a program, I don't know, code. And code did what it's supposed to do, but had some errors in it. And I sat down with you, and I said, okay, so this line of code does what it's supposed to do. This line of code does what it's supposed to do. But this line of code, It kind of does what it's supposed to do, but it doesn't do it fully. So there's something here that you need to debug. There's something here that you need to fix. And here. And this is why this happened, because this method is written a little bit incorrectly. So you got to rework this. That's what I pretty much did. I never guilt trapped you. Guilt trapping would be this. Let's say you wrote the code, right? You wrote the code to the program, and I said, "Are you dumb? Why did you do this? This will never work. You're dumber. This would never work. Are you stupid? You wrote this line wrong. This will be guilt trapping you." But I never did this to you. I said to you that this is unfair what you've done. So debug it. Debug it. Fix it. If you want to be you came to me and you cried, "Hey Stan, can you help me to become an affiliate? Hey, this and that. Hey, I want more subscribers. Hey, I want more this." Okay, I showed you the points where you need to fix, and once you fix those points, everything should be going well for you. But you took it wrongly. You took it as I guilt trapped you. Well, I was trying to be a friend and show you those points, as well as you tried to show. And the biggest thing, Matthew, hopefully you listened to this to the end. The biggest thing you told me that you never let me down. You promised that you'll never let me down, but you did let me down big time. You did. And again, I'm not saying, okay, so at this point, I don't want to be a friend. At this point, I don't want to talk to you. At this point, I want to block you. I'm not saying that. I'm saying it's fixable. Should we talk normally? Should we get in the call, whatever you want, Discord, Instagram, whatever you want, unblock me. We'll talk things over. And it's fixable like this. Trust me. Okay, at this point, see you when I see you, as they say on the cruise lines. And I see you when I see you, man. All the best to you. Hopefully you get back to me. Bye-bye.